Hello! Welcome to the tutorial of KH Coder. I will guide you through the necessary steps to analyze English text using this tool. To prepare KH Coder, please double-click on the downloaded KH Coder file and click the Unzip button. Once done, you have an icon named KH Coder 3 folder on your desktop, indicating that KH Coder is ready to use. To start KH Coder, double-click on this icon and double-click on the KH Coder file. If the interface is not displayed in English, please select English here. Then restart KH Coder. Next, configure stop words by going to Project, Settings in the menu. Clicking on this Config button and from the tutorial EN folder, dragging stopwords sample EN file, dropping it to this input field. Click OK to finish configuration. Now you are ready for analyzing English text. Now create a new project by going to Project, New in the menu. Browsing to the tutorial EN folder. Selecting the XLS file. Make sure English is selected as the language. Then click OK. After that, perform pre-processing by going to Pre-processing and Run pre-processing. Okay, now it's complete. On my PC, it took 19 seconds. To see frequently appeared words, go to Tools, Words, Frequency List. Click on any words to open Quick Concordance. This is the concordance of the word tell. To make a co-occurrence network, select Tools, Words, Co-occurrence network. There are many options, but at first you can just click OK. In the default settings, there are 60 lines between words. These lines indicate strong associations between the words. If we want to display more than 60 lines, click on Config and increase the value in this section. Let's try 240. If you increase the number of lines too much, interpretation can become difficult. So let's display important lines only. To do that, click Config and check Draw the minimum spanning tree only. From the network, you can see major topics within the data. For instance, from the words like Anne, Diana, Marilla, Matthew, you see the main characters of the story. You can click any words on this plot to open Quick Concordance. Okay, let's perform correspondence analysis next. Go to Tools, Words, Correspondence Analysis. Just make sure the variable part is selected, then click OK. From the result, we can find distinctive words for each part. For instance, words such as Cuthbert, boy, road are distinctive for the first part. As usual, you can click on any of the words to open the Quick Concordance. Now, let's move on to the next stage of analysis. We perform coding to identify and count concepts. We analyze concepts, not words. In this tutorial, as the concepts, we mainly focus on the characters in the story. Go to Tools, Coding, crosstab. Click Browse to open a coding rule file. Select Code 1 and open. Then select Sentences and Chapter. Now click on Run button. Let's see bubble plot by clicking on Bubble button. We can see frequencies of concepts in each chapter. Anne and Marilla appear almost everywhere. To make co-occurrence network of concepts, go to Tools, Coding, Co-occurrence network. Select Code 2 as the coding rule file. Marilla is connected to Feel and Look. Anne and Marilla often look at each other. Okay, let's go to the last analysis in this tutorial. Go to Tools, Words, Word Associations. Select Code 3. In the first part, Marilla calls Anne as a child, and her uncomfortable ignorance made her crisp and curt. But in the second part, Marilla calls Anne as Anne, not a child, and says many things. Okay, now we are done. Please see tutorial slides or detailed version for more information. Thank you. By the way, my name is Koichi Higuchi, the author of KH Coder. Goodbye and good luck with your analysis.